How to log in to Udemy account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Udemy. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, open up a web browser and simply search for Udemy. After you do that, open Udemy up. So this is the official website. You can simply head over to udemy.com as well. After doing that, on the top right corner, you'll see two options. One is to log in, the other is to sign up. You can tap on sign up if you do not have an account. If you do have an account, tap on the login button. After you tap on login button, you'll see different options you can log in with. If you already have an account, tap on this email option and tap on continue with email. Or else you can log in with different options as well. If you have an organizational account, tap on login with your organization. Or you can simply log in with Google, Facebook, or your Apple account as well. I'll just tap on sign in with Google and choose my account. After doing that, tap on continue. If you're logging in with your email, just tap on continue with email and then simply, type in your password and you'll get logged in. And that's basically how you do it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.